Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Elaine Rau and I do unboxings and product reviews. Today I'll be reviewing these LED solar garden lights. So let's go ahead and check out what these look like. Okay, so there are 8 of them in this box. So it comes with the poles, I'm assuming to stick the lights into the ground. So you want to put your solar lights in a place where they can receive 8 hours of sunlight a day to get the best results. So it's basically a fake candle in there. I like that. Comes with a little clip over here so you can hang them and or stake them. Oh, here is a solar light that you want to make sure that this is going to be directly in the sun, right? Leaving it down doesn't make it look bad either. Just make sure, because it's low enough where this is not going to be covered, but have this, you know, front facing. And as you can see over here, this is exactly just what I did. And then everything is just listed out in the instructions right here, so super easy to use. It takes probably less than, 2 minutes to set up everything. Just turn everything on, boom, 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 and then stake. That's it, and you have your garden lights. So if you want to purchase the garden lights, check out the link below. If you want to see more unboxings, make sure to subscribe, comment on this video. Let me know what you think about these garden lights. And for more product reviews and unboxings, continue watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.